Welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see a term called economies of scope. It is slightly different from economy of scale, if you have heard it. An economy of scope means that the production of one goods reduces the cost of producing another related goods. Economy of scope occur when producing a wider variety of goods or services in tandem in most cost effective for an organization than producing less of a variety or producing each goods independently. In such a case, the long run average and marginal cost of a company, organization, or economy decreases due to production of complementary goods and services. While economies of scope are characterized by efficiencies formed by variety, economies of scale are instead characterized by volume. The latter refers to reduction in marginal cost by producing additional units. Economies of scale, for instance, helped drive corporate growth in the 20th century through assembly line production. Economies of scope are economic factor that make simultaneous manufacturing of different products more cost effective than manufacturing them on their own. A simple way to illustrate the contrast is to use the example of a train. A single train can carry both the passengers and freight more cheaply than having two separate trains, one only for passenger and another for freight. In this case, a single train that has cars dedicated to both categories is far more cost effective and also may result in lower ticket or tonnage cost for the train's users as well. Economies of scope can arise from co-production relationship between final products. In economic terms, these goods are called complements in production. This occurs when the production of one goods automatically produces another goods as a byproduct or a kind of side effect of production process. Sometimes one product might be a byproduct of another but have a value for use by the another producer or for sale. Finding a productive use or a market for co-products can reduce both waste and cost and increase the revenue for the organization. Thanks for watching. Bye.